Hello guys, it's your girl Aisha Narikxa. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you've been here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe and hit the notification button, so just in case I get to upload a new video, you get notified. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how I created like this hair look. I so love it. I'm so in love with it. So guys, what do you think about it? If you like this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. I'm going to just comb my hair upwards. For today's styling gel, I'll be using the Kaale styling gel. Just going to apply it. I'm going to be using just my rubber band to tie it up. I'm going to get my jelly comb and just remove the hair that I want to use. So I'm just going to use like my jelly comb to give it a more definition. This one. So the next part, I'm just going to take this piece of fabric and tie it around so that I can give it time to dry up. So I'm going to give it time to like dry up, then we can come back and put our extension. So this is our extension for today, and I'm going to be using this color activator from Bamsi. Yeah. Just going to apply it like all over my hair. For my extension, I always prefer like to tighten this drawstring first, but I'll have to like leave some space so that I can put it like on my ponytail. Yeah, something like this. And this extension is from Aisha Narikxa wigs. So it has probably dried up by now. So let us put our extension. I want to put my hairband first. Now let me apply my makeup. We'll come back to style it. Now what I want to do is just style this extension, and I'm going to be using my bobby pins to style it. Let me dress up. I'll be right back. So this is how it came out. I just love it. So guys, what do you think? If you love it, kindly give it a thumbs up. Please share. See you guys. See you on my next video.